Good afternoon. My name's Craig McQueen and I'm Director of Enterprise Sales at Lightware. Today here at InfoComm we're showing one of our newest integrations with Google Meet. We've recently become fully certified in the Google Meet ecosystem, meaning we are the only certified BYOD platform that can be added into any of your Google Meet hardware meeting rooms. The way this is achieved is by using our Taurus UCX product. This allows users to go into the room, plug in that single USB-C cable, and then natively take control of the room peripherals in the Google Meet environment, meaning that we can then run a video call from a different third-party platform while still using the in-room hardware. A couple of the key unique points to this: one, our platform is now managed, monitored, and seen within the Google Admin Console, meaning we don't have to worry about any error flags when we disconnect that USB-C, and we can actually monitor and maintain the unit from there. And also, completely uniquely, our firmware is also updated via the Google platform as well. This is one of the strongest integrations that we have to date, and we're really proud to be working with Google Meet. If you'd like to find out more, please visit us at www.lightware.com. Thank you.